Okay, so the next technology that I'm going to talk to you about that's 100% free is remind.com. I use this with fellow ag teachers. We can connect and send out reminders for the next contest that we're doing, or send out information that we have that somebody else might need. It's very simple, very quick. You can download the app on your phone. Um, you can use it on any type of phone, as far as I know. Me being an Apple guy, I use it on all my Apple devices. That way I can pick up on it as soon as I get a message and be reminded as to what we have going on. Up here in the top right's the login. I'll use my fingerprint here. We'll get logged in. Not only can we use it for fellow teachers, we can use it for students. You can use it to set up and send messages to parents. If you, some people use Class Dojo. This would be similar in that regard, but it's pretty straightforward. You just send out text messages essentially through this app. You can, I really enjoy how you can go in here and pick, and you can get a message or send a message to the entire group, or you can come over and pick a certain person that you want to send a message to and talk to them, and not have to have everybody's phone number. They can sign in, they can connect with this code here. And to join a class, you just click add, join a class, and put in the code and join, and you'll be put right into it. Create a class. You can come in here, type in the class name or however you want to label it, and it will give you a code, and then you would tell what school you're from, and then pretty simple, click create, and you have it here set up pretty simple. To go in, you top right here, you can click add people. You can add the student's name, add their email or their phone number. Pretty typically using phone numbers for a lot of people. And then you can give a secondary phone or email to where they can get it. Either way, you can label them under students, parents, or the teachers. And like I said, it's really a simple way to communicate in a very large amount of people in a short amount of time. Once you get everything set up, it's pretty straightforward.